I'm Joanne Banko. When you're heading out on a trip, it's always fun to have a great-looking tote bag to take along. So I've actually got a tote bag project for you today, a quick tip for using the fringe foot to create decorative fringe trim on the ribbon that's sewed to the tote bag. So let me show you how easy it is to do. I've already attached my fringe foot, and if you look at the foot here, you'll see it's got a bar in the center. I'm going to put my ribbon on stabilizer. Of course, you'd use a nice long piece, and you could also add a decorative stitch down the center. That gives it even a little bit more trim look. And I'm just going to roll right down the edge of the ribbon, stitch right down, and what it's actually doing is creating a loopy effect because the zigzag stitch is forming right over that bar. It takes a little bit of time because you're using a really short stitch length. So I'm going to go just part way here, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to raise up my needle, and you can see there are the loops there formed right over that ribbon. This is a two-step process, so once I've created my loops, I only have one more step to go. I'm going to switch back to the regular presser foot, snap that on, and always make sure you get your threads underneath the foot. Now I'm going to select a second stitch, and this stitch is a straight stitch, but it stitches 3 times, so it's called a triple straight stitch. And I'm going to stitch that right along one edge of the loops. And I'm doing that so that I can anchor my loops in place. You're going to see the very last step is going to be to trim that away. So I've got that done. Pull this out. Now it's a simple matter of literally snipping through my bobbin thread on the wrong side. It looks a little bit messy, but you're going to see the effect when I take a little sharp tool and just pull those out, and then you can trim the little hairs, neaten that up, and you've got a great looking fringe trim. There's a lot you can do with this fringe foot, like the baby bib you see here, and of course the great tote bag. You'll find complete instructions when you visit the website.